AITO has officially launched the new generation M9, its flagship full-size SUV. The lineup includes the Max Plus, Ultra, and Ultimate Extended Edition models. The new M9 is available with both range-extended and fully electric powertrains. Customers can choose from 4-seat, 5-seat, or 6-seat interior layouts, offering flexibility for different needs and preferences. The new M9 uses a dual-size strategy. The standard version measures 5,285 by 2,026 by 1,845 millimeters, with a wheelbase of 3,125 millimeters, up 55 millimeters in length and 15 millimeters in wheelbase over the previous edition. The Ultimate Extended Edition measures 5,402 by 2,026 by 1,845 millimeters, with a 3,236 millimeter wheelbase and features distinctive chrome B-pillar trim and ultimate badging. The exterior has intelligent projection headlights with interactive signaling capabilities while maintaining the Kunpeng wing design language. Serum blue, Shanghai silver blue, and desert gold brown are new color options. The new AITO M9 is based on Huawei's latest Drive 1 800-volt high-voltage dual silicon carbide power architecture. The pure electric version comes with dual and tri-motor configurations, with a maximum power output of 903 horsepower. The dual motor model takes 4.5 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, compared to just 3.99 seconds for the tri-motor version. The pure electric vehicle has a massive 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack and a maximum range of 750 kilometers under China Light-Duty Vehicle Test Cycle (CLTC) standards. The EREV version has a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine and dual electric motors, resulting in a maximum CLTC pure electric range of 422 kilometers. With a full tank and full charge, the CLTC range can be up to 1,405 kilometers. The M9 is the first to use the Harmony Cockpit 5.2 system, which is integrated into Pangu and DeepSeek Big models. The inside features a triple-screen arrangement, 12.3-inch instrument cluster and dual 17.2-inch 3.4K displays, and an optional 32-inch retractable projection screen, together with a 2,920-watt Huawei sound system. The HUAWEI Qiankun ADS 5.0 system is standard in the vehicle for intelligent driving. The hardware suite includes 6 LiDAR sensors, 5 millimeter wave radars, 12 ultrasonic radars, and 12 high-definition cameras, allowing for full scenario car-to-car navigation and improved parking capabilities. The Xuanwu Architecture 2.0 improves safety by incorporating 91% high-strength steel and aluminum alloy within the body. Key parts such as the A and B pillars make use of 2,200 megapascals submarine-grade hot-form steel,